everyone, welcome to Designer Square by O Homes. I'm Asmi Vijayavargiya and today we will be discussing the Hotel Le Bristol. It is situated in Paris, France, and it has this whole antique and French charm into it. And today we will be discussing the French architecture, how this hotel was built and situated, and just everything about its interior and how the walls have a story to it. So let's get right into it. So now let us start with a bit of the introduction about this Paris-based hotel Le Bristol. This is where the Parisian elegance meets quiet luxury. And this vlog takes you inside the culture of French craftsmanship. Le Bristol is not trendy, it's timeless. So, we will explore the hotel design, which is designed to be lived in, not just looked at, because it's more than just a trend. The interiors are soft, sunlit, curated. It is like walking into a private Paris apartment. And from the Louis XV chairs to embroidered fabrics, the details reign supreme. And step inside, and you will feel the difference instantly. It's calm, warm, and graceful. Everything here whispers sophistication. It never shouts. So basically, Le Bristol is the type of quiet luxury which also makes you feel at home. Because this is known for the whole high-end clients. Like we're talking about couture clients, royalty, dignitaries. It defines the classic Parisian taste. So let's get into a little bit of history of this. The hotel opened up in 1925 and quickly became favorite among aristocrats. Its design still reflects the French 18th century noble home aesthetic, and the authentic Louis XV and the 16th furniture, they define its identity. Every era left a touch, but the harmony of the hotel stayed. Because Le Bristol is a luxury rooted in its heritage. And even the corridors feel like chapters of Parisian history. Classic here isn't old fashioned, it's eternal. Like the handcraft draperies, the tapestries, and the marquetry are preserved obsessively. The hotel champions French artisans over flashy modernity. And even the renovations, they never erase history, they honor it. Now let's talk about the switch from the exterior to the interior of the Le Bristol Hotel. So basically, the facade is understated. It has this classic Paris horseman elegance, but stepping inside feels like entering a private mansion. Light pours in from the French windows and onto the marble floors. It is like a perfect residential, personal, and intimate feeling to it. The effect is welcoming, not intimidating. There are artworks, mirrors, polished wood, and they greet you gently. And you notice the quiet. Luxury is soundproof here. It's not tacky or flashy or anything. There are fresh florals which soften the grandeur and bringing nature indoors, and the transition is seamless. There is white, gold, and pastels that carry through the entire hotel. So that is the transition from the exterior to interior of the hotel. And next we will move on to the lobby. Their lobby is airy and refined, and they use soft creams and gentle gold accents into it. There are large vases of fresh flowers which set the tone for the elegance, and the antique furniture sits beside the modern artworks, which is like a curated blend. And there are crystal chandeliers which offer light without overwhelming the room, and the space encourages lingering, not rushing. It feels like a salon in Paris townhouse. The lobby feels balanced. It's large but never imposing. And the mirrors that reflect light, they expand the space naturally. And the crystal chandeliers are offering the light without overwhelming the room anyways. And the first impression is effortlessly luxurious. There are also art pieces in there which rotate seasonally, keeping the experience fresh. Now that we've talked about the artworks, it's only right to move on to the signature Parisian color palette in there. So the Hotel Le Bristol uses a palette of soft pastels, creams, and hints of gold. The colors feel powdery, feminine, and timeless. And there are blue gray trims and blush tones which add the romantic Parisian charm. Nothing is too bright. The colors calm the eye. Gold is used sparingly for refinement, not extravagance. There are florals, tapestries, and fabrics that extend the palette naturally. Daylight shifts the tone, giving each room new personality. And the palette reflects this French elegance and not trends. It's harmony through hues and a lesson in subtle luxury, where nothing is too bright and the colors feel calming to the eyes, and there is no tackiness or no flashiness and not even a show off. It's just a pastel calm. Before moving forward to the rooms and the bathrooms, I would like to talk about its courtyard garden, which is like Les Jardins Francais. The garden is like one of the most iconic spaces. Like it feels like a secret oasis in the heart of Paris. You can like expect boxwood hedges, roses, and manicured lawns which define the space. There are white umbrellas and pastel chairs which maintain the visual harmony, and the layout encourages intimacy and serenity. Natural light is softened by the greenery which is all around there, and it's perfect for afternoon tea or quiet mornings. There are birds and fountains which add soothing sound to the design, and the garden is just a major part of the interior soul. It's a true French art de vivre moment. Now let's finally move on to the guest and suites of this luxury hotel. Each suite obviously would feel like a Parisian apartment and not a hotel room because this just feels very curated and lived in. This is what Le Bristol aims for. Rooms feature silk drapes, floral motifs, and the handcrafted furniture. There's traditional French millwork which lines the wall, and beds have embroidered linens and plush canopies. There are soft carpets that create warmth and silence, and balconies that look onto courtyards or Paris rooftops. Rooms feel gentle, lived in, and authentic. The modern comforts exist there, of course, but they never really overshadow the classic charm. And the ambience is peaceful, slow, and soulful. It's like sleeping inside of a painting. And the bathrooms and the French luxury, they're like marble rich, bright, and impeccably detailed. There's soft pink or white marbles which keeps the aesthetic warm, and there are gold fixtures that add the quiet glamour there. There is deep soaking tubs which invite long, slow evenings, and the mirrors are large yet softly lit. Towels and bathrobes are thick and luxurious. There are fresh flowers occasionally that brighten the space, and everything feels curated and never corporate. The design blends functionally with the indulgence, and it's like a true Parisian spa experience inside your room. Also, did you know that it does have a spa? The spa blends minimalism with classic French luxury. The textures are plush robes, soft linens that heighten relaxation. It feels modern, but not cold. It's like a contrast from the ornate hotel interiors. Luxury here means serenity. Lighting is extremely soft and diffuse, and the treatment rooms are serene, calming, and meditative. Design here focuses on wellness and purity. Let's get a little into the fabrics, textures, and also the lighting. So, Le Bristol uses its lighting a lot to give it a very calming and peaceful space, and it is what creates the hotel's quiet luxury atmosphere because no space feels overly bright or underlit. Shadow and highlight are balanced here like art, and the hotel glows rather than shines. Mirrors are placed to reflect light gracefully. Table lamps add comfort and warmth. Chandeliers illuminate without dominating the space. And it just has this warm, soft lighting. Whereas when we talk about the textures, the fabrics are a core design signature at Le Bristol. You can expect velvets, embroidered linens, and silk draperies in them. Carpets are plush, sound absorbing, and detailed. Textures encourage touch and immersion. Floral and toile patterns add softness and heritage. Upholstery feels handcrafted and thick. There are no cheap materials here, everything is artisanal. Texture is the soul of French interior design. Now, let us end this by talking about the feline mascot and then talking about a little bit of personal take into it and then ending this. So, even the resident cat, which was the Pharaoh's influence for the feline mascot, so it added historically a charm to the interiors. Like his presence softened the formal spaces. Guests loved spotting him on the velvet sofas. He became part of the hotel's personality. Because elegance isn't only in objects, it's an emotion. And Le Bristol excels at emotional luxury. And so, animals in design add character without altering the aesthetics. And small details like this make interiors memorable. His legend still lives in the hotel storytelling. And my final take on this would be that Le Bristol is the definition of quiet, confident Parisian luxury. It is a masterclass in restraint and harmony because there is nothing which is mass produced or too show offy. It's like every room holds a gentle beauty that grows on you, and it has a slow living, soft mornings and calm evenings vibe. Le Bristol isn't just a hotel, it's definitely a feeling which makes you feel relaxed. So, thank you for watching until the end. Make sure to like and subscribe.